Hey guys, it's Silverbacked here with another update video. It's been 4 days since my last video because I am working in 4-day charts and 4-day candles. I generally use Heikin Ashi candles, and I turn off all other indicators. So the method that I use has been tried and tested over the last more than a year on my writings on Substack and Medium under the pen name of Silverbacked. Where I go through and show you how I've publicly demonstrated and developed my thesis of trading using Heikin Ashi candles. I've done it in a monthly time frame, and this series of videos that wherever you may be seeing this video, is a shot at trying to compress the time frames down. Now I started off at 1 day, and obviously just with the recent activity of what's been going on, I've actually pushed it because there was too much activity to do it every day. 2 days, 3 days, and 4 days. 4 days got me into a nice situation with XRP. So XRP is my canary in the coal mine of pushing me too far. Essentially, I'll accept some volatility, but I won't up to a certain point. And then if it goes outside that, then I'm happy to sort of just get out of it. This helped us greatly over the last week or two when we had a massive drop down. I had people messaging me saying, "Hey, I was sitting in BTC and you saved me $10,000 price movement on BTC." So this is not nothing. We're actually not trying to predict where the price is going to go. If you want that, then there's plenty of opinions out there. This is not opinion. This is actually just showing a 4-day trend in the market, and the Heikin Ashi candles just take away a lot of the visual cues of the volatility. If you're looking at normal candles, you can see it's like red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, all the way through, even with 4-day candles. If you change it to Heikin Ashi, it smooths it out. So basically we would enter here and we'd go down to here and we'd get out. So for example, just for anyone that might be new, I would be looking at, holding that position for 32 days and making or saving 22.63%. So, that's more than respectable, and then, over here we might get in and we might get out here. So that'd be 12 days and make 6.28. That's 0.5% a day. So again, not to put too fine a point on it, but if it's 0.5% a day, 0.5, and you times that by 365, it's 182% per annum is nothing to sneeze at. And if you can do it safely, and we're getting out of things and saving money and reloading and getting back to dry powder when the market does this, like it just did recently, we'll be able to back into things and write it up as we get some candles like this. So many people are going they're talking about the bull market when it comes, they've already announced it as a Netflix special or something like that. It's definitely coming. It's no one knows when it's coming, but when it does come, we're going to be doing stuff like this. We'll jump in here, we'll stay in it for 68 days and make 329%. No one else will be doing that, because all I do is I don't try and predict the future or comment on the future. I basically say what the current 4-day trend is. That's it. The developing 4-day trend. So I'm not gonna make moves unless and I ignore short-term volatility because it's 50-50. It's just random. That's a bit of a synopsis of my thesis. If you are new to the channel, again, if you've already heard this a million times before, sorry, but it is important that the point of doing this is that I show you what I'm doing as well. So let's have a look. You know what I'll say, because I have already been through this. We're 54 minutes into the next 4-day period. If you can just pause the screen from Bitcoin all the way through to EOS, they are all this. The second last candle is a sell candle. Again, I ignore this last candle, and from EOS all the way Matic all the way down to SHIB. They're all a sell. They're all got a red candle here. All right. And then that was the top 30 market cap coins. And then I've made another my top 30, which is DEX tokens, like DEX native tokens, and multi-chain or cross-chain tokens, like L1X or Chainflip or Thorchain and stuff like that. and you know, a couple of pulse chain major tokens in there as well. So in this top 30 list, you got GNO, Aave, GMX, all these, you know, again, DEX tokens, all the way through to, you can screenshot this, to Arbitrum, and then from, where's Arbitrum? Arbitrum, yeah, so Osmosis, all the way down to PLSX on this list. If you pause the video, they're all cells, right? So yeah, so that's basically the wrap up. I'll be back in 4 days' time. There's only 3 assets out of that was 60 assets, so that was about 57 assets I just run through. There's only 3 tokens I'm holding, only 3. But there's a link down the bottom if you wanted to get the faster update. This is 24 hours old on YouTube, and just jump onto my Substack for a free subscription. To get this information a day earlier, and also if you want to and you want to know what I'm buying, you know, there was a paid upgrade there as well, which is 22 cents a day if you're interested. But outside that, have a nice day. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, get out of all these coins now, and I'll come back and I'll warn you in another 4 days if there's anything else you should get out of also. Hopefully we might see some green shoots, but until the next video, I'll talk to you soon.